All right, what's up, everybody? Brian Tong here, and joining me is my special guest, my lovely girlfriend, Shanna. Hi, Shanna.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Okay. So what we're going to do here is Apple has a bunch of accessories for AirTags, and I did an unboxing earlier, but I think that it's better to get not the techie person's opinion all the time.
A normal person's opinion.
Yeah, a regular person's opinion. And also, they're kind of fashionable, so I figure like bringing a lady's opinion. Okay, it might help. So I know you haven't spent too much time with them, but I wanted to initially have you take a look at these three. Okay, this is the kind of like a sport loop, and this is $29.99. This is their key ring, and it's $34.99 or $35, and then this is the leather one, and this is $39.99 or $40. So
this is the same price as this one?
No. This goes $29, $35, $39. So
$4 more, you can get leather.
So I'm curious, these are just Apple's initial accessories. I mean, you've kind of seen them, but in hand, like, would you prefer one or the other, or what do you think of these?
I like the red one. I mean, I like red, but I also like the style. It's just very simple.
Like a key, like the
like
key
a
ring.
Key ring. This one you can put on your luggage. That one's cool. I like that one.
Do you prefer the sport loop over?
I mean, if I were to have to choose one, I would probably choose this one over this one.
Okay, because
I just like the leather material better. I'm more about quality over.
Over what?
Well, I'm sure this is quality too, but I feel like this will last longer, and this is just fashionable and nicer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we had to rank these three in your favorite order, how would you rank them?
Like
if you go like 1, 2, 3.
I do 1, 2, 3.
Okay, there you go. Key ring, numero uno.
Yes.
I do. I mean, it is the most compact. It's nice. Okay, what do you think about the AirTags overall when you see these guys?
I think they're really cute. Is that a technical term?
That's a technical term.
They're cute. Look at this. They're clean. They're cute. You can put designs on them. And I mean, it just looks really good.
Do you think it looks too plain, like just with this color? Like, would you rather have like emojis or initials on them, or do you actually like it clean?
I like it clean because I like white things and very clean things. But if maybe you wanted something that was going to stand out, maybe like a bright yellow, kind of like this.
Poppin'?
Because say like I drop my keys somewhere, like walking, which sometimes you tend to do.
Yeah.
I want to be able to see that, or have somebody see that, pick it up, and then get it back to me somehow.
Okay.
Right? Like something like that would be more standout than something white. Look at this; it blends in with the table. How are you supposed to see that?
I don't know. I can't see it. Okay.
Yeah.
So here, we have two new accessories. These are from. There's not too many accessories out there, but these are from Belkin.
Sorry.
And so I say let's just tear them open. Okay. And I'm curious what you think of these. I won't tell you how much these cost, but what you think of these price-wise compared to Apple. So this one's the one you have. I think is like a key ring, and then the one in here. I'm not like the best at this. I think this is like a. How much?
Oh, it's like a loop. It's just like this.
Wait, do I just pull
this
this out?
Is supposed to be.
I'm just gonna tear this up. I don't even care. Okay, because that's how people open these things up. Oh, okay. So use your fingers the best way you can.
Okay.
Ah.
All right.
Okay, so this here, I'll talk about mine. It looks like mine is the secure holder with the strap, and it's kind of just like two plastic pieces that would, I assume, clang onto a AirTag, and then when
it's kind of the same.
Kind of same, yeah. But yours is a key ring, right? So let's just put them. Oh yeah, you're right. So pop them together.
Mine's the same.
See who can do it first. I can't.
Done. Oh.
Oh, here we go. I popped it in. Okay, and then I just have to flip this loop through. Yay! Did you get yours?
I still try to.
Here, do you need help with that?
I've never done this before, everyone.
Neither have I.
It's the first time. I've never done this before.
Here, let a man handle this. Oh wait, it's not on. What happened here?
Let's let a man handle this.
Hold on.
Let's let a man handle this.
Let's let a man handle. That's loud in my ear.
I'm just putting pressure on you to get it done.
No, I think it's because. Oh, you know why? Because the back side. I think you might have. There we go. The front side was with the logo.
I see. Okay.
I mean, we didn't know that. Okay, and then pop on the key ring. You got it. You got it. It's a team effort. Okay, you got it.
I don't want to break it or anything.
Nice. Okay, so here, look, check this out. We got the key ring. Okay, we got the key ring, and then this, like, I guess this is kind of their version of the loop. I actually, honestly, what do you think of this versus, like, Apple's loop? Which one do you like better? Why don't you check it out, feel it out? What do you think?
I mean, it's just there's no benefit in having this type of cover. It's just the design. Is that what that is?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's a little sturdier with the hard plastic, and then you got this. Do you like? What do you think? I mean, if you had to pick between these two, what do you think?
I mean, this one looks more expensive because it's leather, but this one I feel, with the extra slack.
Yeah.
But
this one has yeah, that's true. Extra dangle.
Yeah, I would say if this was more cost effective and it was cheaper, of course, than that one, then yeah, get this. If you want to put AirTags like on your kids' backpacks or something,
yeah,
this would probably be cheaper.
Okay, so what do you think?
If it is, I don't know how much it is.
Okay, and then what about the keyring versus keyring? Which one do you actually like better?
Again, for me, it's more price.
And does color make a difference for you? Like
if there was more color options,
like pinks or blues.
Yeah, if there's a red, because look, can you see this there? If I were to just walk by real quickly, I wouldn't be able to quickly get it.
I can see it's right there.
Oh, okay, because you know what to look for.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you.
I would know what to look for.
I know it. No, okay. So price-wise, this leather sport loop, $39.99.
Okay.
How much do you think this Belkin with the loop is?
Come on, Belkin, let's do like $16, $17.
Oh, pretty good.
Really?
$12.95.
Yay!
$12.95.
The price is right. I win.
You actually went over.
Oh, that's awesome.
And the price is right. You have to go under. But I'll give it to you.
But I was the closest price. If anybody was under, right?
Okay, yeah, anything under. Okay, so.
Anyway, so that's actually not bad.
All right? Does that make you like, come on?
Yeah, if I were to choose, I mean, if I had to buy some for like your nieces and nephews, like 5 of them, I would get this one.
Yeah, I would too.
That's more affordable. The kids too, you're gonna lose it.
And they have in different colors also.
Okay.
So that I mean they're gonna have more colors for both these. But yeah, $12.95 versus.
That's not bad.
And even the rubbery one, this is $29. So let's say $13 versus $29.
Okay, so if this is, can I jump onto this loop thing? So if this is $12.90, that's $5.
This is also $12.95.
Oh, what? Oh, never mind.
But here's the thing that I like: the AirTags themselves
it's more of the case that they're charging for, not this accessory.
But the AirTag themselves are $29 an AirTag. To me, it's always been I get it, like these are Apple branded accessories, but when the accessory is more than the actual product. Like this is $40, and
that's right. I didn't think about that.
That's a little kind of like.
If you're a baller, then you can get your leather accessories.
Okay,
but
so
in terms of just functionality and just being able to afford it, I think for normal people like me, I would get the Belkin one.
Okay, that's good. So let's talk about baller.
If I want to be a baller, yeah, I'm gonna get the Apple one.
She wants to be a baller. Okay, so
I want to be a baller.
I figured we should have you open up this
to
see how baller.
I want to be a bigger baller. Everybody, here's the Hermès. Oh man, that's gonna be like $1 million.
Okay, let's. I want to have you open this. I have no idea what it looks like, and if you think it's worth it.
My hands are sweaty. I can't. It's too expensive.
She got all excited.
It's too expensive. I can't. Give me some gloves.
No. Open it up. Just take your time. Open it. No. Okay, hold on. Let's hold this out here.
Oh my goodness.
Hermès.
No, we need like the white
gloves.
gloves.
Come on, just here. Here we go. Here we go.
Look how clammy my hands
are. Why would you get clammy hands?
Because it's expensive.
Oh my gosh, be careful.
Oh, do we do the?
Yeah, just. Oh.
Satisfying.
Hold on higher.
Oh.
Oh.
Let the ASMR do its work, Brian.
Okay. Just open it down here.
Oh my. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's just the outer jacket. Maybe one more time.
I like. I mean,
it's too classy. It's too classy.
I know it's too expensive.
Okay.
Oh, it's soft.
Oh, so okay. Wait. Okay, do the reveal down here. Ready? Should we? Ready?
Okay. How do you do reveal?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you do it.
Look, it has the embossed AirTag Hermès branding on this like kind of nice soft plush
leather.
Yeah, what is it, like a soft? I don't know.
It's that material.
Like,
you
like your eyeglass cleaner material.
Suede.
Oh, good suede. Okay.
You have to spray it.
Yeah.
Like man, I can't have clammy hands on this thing.
No,
go
I don't have.
Go ahead. You hold it.
Here we go.
Can't.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
We opened it up like it's so important.
Goodness.
Okay, where is? I'm trying to feel where it is. Okay, should I take this out?
It's probably there. It is.
Oh, okay. So check this out. This is here's the actual AirTag. And what's different about this is an Hermès branded.
Oh my goodness.
Engraved AirTag. See how it says that right there?
Did they tell you how much this is?
I'll tell you how much it is.
No, don't tell me. Should I guess? Should I play Prices Right?
Well, yeah, we'll play Prices Right after we see the actual. This is the AirTag itself. It doesn't have. Hold on. I got the camera. Okay, here, you hold it. It just.
You hold it.
Basically, back on the back area is this. Should I take off the wrapping on it? Fine, I will.
Well, show them. Oh, you took off the plastic.
I took it off, and so it's good.
I try to keep the plastic on stuff as long as possible.
Asian.
I'm proud of it. That's why my stuff lasts.
Okay,
all right, you spend a lot of money. You got to make sure it lasts.
Out, okay?
Oh, it sings.
Yeah, that's the check. Look at that, Hermès Apple AirTag. Everyone at home can see that. That's pretty fancy. Okay, this is again. That's part of the value. Yeah,
oh my goodness.
Wait, does it feel more valuable to you because it has the engraving on it?
It doesn't.
It doesn't. Okay.
You said it does.
I thought it did for you. Okay.
For me?
Yeah, I don't know.
All it has is a. Okay. Go ahead. I'm not gonna say anything.
No. What do you just say it? Say it.
First of all, I thought this was gonna be an accessory, like one of those tag covers.
Oh no, it's inside. Not. There's more in here.
Oh, there is.
Yeah. So this is the.
Okay, let's go.
This is the. What is this? The key ring.
Oh.
Okay, so we have this little piece, this little element. Oh, it's separate. And then what's here? Hold on. Oh, here's the key ring. Look at the key ring. It's on like a plastic thingamajigger.
Okay.
Okay, and then here, let me put this more. Yeah. Just put it out here. Okay, and then here. Why don't you pull the last piece out? It's just in this little pocket. Okay.
I mean, it's like a little mini handbag.
Oh, come on.
For your AirTag.
So this looks kind of fancy and cool. So here's the elements.
Oh wow.
Of the AirTags Hermès. Yeah, put it there. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna actually take this off so it looks just nice and fancy together. Okay, let's have you assemble it. Let's have you do it yourself, DIY, assemble the Hermès key ring.
All right. Well, I'm assuming you got to make this show because you got to let everyone know.
Oh, that's right. I didn't think about that. You're right.
Hermès tag. Right?
I didn't think about that. I was gonna put the white side out.
Yeah. There's no way you're gonna mess that up if you spend that much money on it.
Good intuition.
Oh, I gotta let everyone know. Oh, you go know. All right. So is this a strap?
Yeah.
But then why does there? Oh, so that's if you want that option.
No, I think you put the strap in and then you put the loop in after, right?
I don't think so. I think this is you just do this.
Okay. Is that gonna be secure enough? Or wait, hold on. Hold on.
And then
I think it's the other way around. Look.
All right.
Like this?
Go ahead.
Like that? Like that?
No.
No? Why not?
Hello, you're leaving this open.
Oh my god.
My gosh.
Little man handle I didn't say that. Here.
Oh, I will never forget you said that earlier.
The dot here was out there. Okay, here. Okay, I'll let you.
If I could do it, I'd.
Oh no, honey.
Take care of this. Let me take care of this. I think you do this, and then you just.
You sure you want the button out that way?
I think that's how you do it, right?
Don't you want the flat part on the top?
Okay, fine. No, because look, there's engraving in there. You don't want that sticking out.
Oh, you're right.
So you do this. You close it, and then you loop it through here, sir. There you go.
Okay,
Here's
and then where? Oh.
Tag.
Then where do we put do we put the keychain like on here?
No, I think this is separate. So this is
so loose, boo-boo.
That's how it is.
Okay.
Did they give you instructions?
No. Well,
then I think it's one or another.
Maybe let me see here. Actually, I bet you there are instructions on here of how it looks.
You know, because I love reading instructions.
Oh, here we go. Look at that.
Who was right?
No.
Oh, never mind. Just kidding.
I was right. Yeah. Okay.
Wait. No.
Yeah.
That's one way.
Wait,
and then.
No. This is look at. Okay, you there. This goes on. The key ring goes on top of the loop after you loop it through. So you did it right. No.
No, you could do this.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay.
And then.
Yes. And then clasp it.
Oh, that's interesting. How do they do it like that?
Okay, then clasp it. Here, close it up. And then bring that little reinforcement. Clearly, this is way too expensive for us to figure out.
Like that?
Yeah. Like that.
Okay.
So then it goes. Oh, so it looks like this.
Oh man, no! I would think that would fall apart. I'd be too scared.
You think this? Yeah, this doesn't feel like right.
Yeah.
Maybe the leather has to get broken in. Okay.
Patinaed, they like to call it.
Okay.
Handbags.
So, what do you think the price of this key ring, AirTag Hermès key ring costs? Okay,
so the key tag and the cover, or just the? Oh, well, because it comes together.
It comes together, so they include it. So you get a deal because they include.
You get a deal. You get a deal. If you get the Hermès AirTags, you can also get the covering.
True. That's what I'm saying.
And everyone can know that you are a baller.
That's
straight up.
That's right.
Do you see it? It says Hermès.
Okay. So how much price? What do you think?
Okay. Well, a regular AirTag is $29.99.
Correct.
The regular Okay, they sell it for $50. This is Hermès.
Yeah.
I'm gonna up the price times 3. So let's do 300.
Oh, that's pretty good. The final, do I remember right? Oh yeah.
350?
Yeah, $350. Wow.
I win.
You actually did win. Okay, so now let's have some fun here now. Okay, so now that we have
Okay.
Wow, these look like
I'm just wow.
So here are the peasant.
Excited I won the game.
Here are all the peasant AirTag cases.
I know.
I'm kidding.
You
That's a joke.
Normal
That's a joke.
people. But that's me.
That's us. That's us.
Me right
that's us.
here.
I honestly just got
$12 AirTag. That's me.
Honestly, was just curious, like what this looks like. I mean, we're not gonna keep this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, I just have to say. Okay. Final thoughts.
Okay, hold on. Let's line them all up. Let's line them all up. Okay, so people at home can see. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So this is them.
Okay.
This is for you. Knowing the price.
Yes.
And style. Which one of these? I would actually. Yeah. Which one would you pick? I know there's kind of some different functionality here. This is more for a luggage bag, and this is more for a key. But let's talk about, I guess.
It would also depend on who is it for.
True.
Right. So if it's for my nieces, my nephews, kids who could probably lose things and not care, you get these.
Yeah. The
cheapest
Belkin
one
style
you can
ones,
get. You just need something that's going to carry it.
And this is probably honestly the sturdiest because it has the hard plastic shell on it.
Right.
Over time.
I mean, you can imagine them throwing backpacks around and stuff like that, right?
Okay.
And keys. But for me, what's the cheapest one out of these three? Probably this one.
The
right?
cheapest one is this.
Oh, it is?
Sport loop. Yeah, this guy. The most expensive is the leather version. This is the sport loop bag tag, and then this is the key ring.
Okay. I'd probably buy this one.
I think you like that also because the color's red.
Yeah,
it's
I
poppin'.
think so.
It's super
I think
poppin'.
if they had a different color, I would go for these.
And they do have different colors. These are just the ones that I got.
Okay.
They have like a raspberry pink, and they have a kind of like a
cute.
A violet.
Okay, well you said pink, so
Maybe
I'm gonna get the plastic one.
So
okay, Belkin.
What do you? I mean, this is fancy, but $350 fancy?
I wouldn't.
No.
No.
Okay,
No.
so you're gonna say you like the Belkin and then the Apple.
Yes.
And then
so
Hermès.
and then Hermès on a fancy day.